Step into the 2013 Nissan Altima. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are child safety rear door locks, front seat mounted side impact airbag, latch child safety seat anchors, Nissan vehicle immobilizer system, roof mounted side curtain airbag, vehicle security system, 4-inch LCD vehicle information display, 4-speaker audio system, 6-way power driver's seat and Bluetooth hands-free phone system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.